Pressure cookers have been making a comeback in the last few years, and with the Gourmia's all-new Express Pot, they finally arrived. This Express Pot is the safest, most advanced pressure cooker ever made, thanks to 3 major innovations. It safely releases pressure when the cooking is done, unique for each food type. You can manually release the pressure to protect your hands and face from the steam release. And get this, it stirs the food inside without opening the lid by an ingenious process of pressure pulses, optimized for each food type. This revolutionary Express Pot has 13 levels of pressure, along with customizable settings so every recipe gets the perfect pressure and temperature for faster, better tasting meals. You'll find no end of uses for your Express Pot. Tender roast, mouth-watering stews, savory puddings, and warm fruit desserts. There's a fantastic recipe book in the box to get you started. I personally love the spicy chicken soup. The real beauty of pressure cooking is the speed. This soup is done in a blazing 15 minutes. That's fast. So you might have to stall with our keep warm function to let the rest of your meal catch up. You've just made a hearty, healthy meal in a fraction of the time. And that takes the pressure off of you. Pressure cooking the Gourmia way.